different from all these dudes. Okay, they riding waves, me, I'm up on a cruise. Yeah, you feel like me, then you got nothing to prove.
Hi, I'm Claudia. Thank you for visiting my channel, where I am sharing my experiences living as a nomad. Today, I am super excited because I am going to visit the BIOSPHERE 2. It is a scientific experiment, I think set by the University of Arizona, to simulate our biosphere. Biosphere 1 is Earth, and Biosphere 2 is where I'm going to take you today. I am very, very interested because they have simulated different environments that we have on Earth. They do have self-guided tours, and that's what I'm interested in, because I want to take as much time as I need to feel the experience and to understand it and learn it and share it with you as well. Let's go to Biosphere 2. I have arrived to Biosphere 2. Let's go explore.
Now let's look at some useful navigation tabs at the bottom of your screen.
How about
First, the icon to the right.
They gave me this tablet for the tour because the signal is not very good here, so I couldn't download the app. So if you want to come to the Biosphere, make sure to download the app before you come. I didn't come prepared, so I have to carry this now. Hello there. Hello, kitty. May you rest in peace. I believe, I'm not sure, but I believe this is petrified wood, or it's just a humongous piece of quartz. Look at it. So these are third room. I don't know what that is. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Looks interesting. I get distracted, but I have to hurry up because the tour starts at 2 and it's almost 2. I'm about to enter that area, and I think it's going to be very cool. So I'm going to listen to what that area means.
This is an example of an experiment here at BIOSPHERE 2 where we have integrated the harvesting of electricity and energy with the growing of agricultural crops. Now, this layout and system is mutually beneficial for both. And what I mean by that is that the plants, they transpire, they give off water. That water goes up and hits the underside of the panels, actually cools the panels. Keeping them cooler means that they're more efficient. Now, the shading overhead is beneficial for the crops. It extends their growing season and also protects them from the elements, which means the crops have a more favorable growing situation throughout the entire year.
Want my plant to grow like this. So far, this is a little bit over my head, all this science, but so interesting, so interesting. OMG, where did I arrive? Look at this gorgeous garden. It is so pretty. It actually has some fruits. It looks like I have arrived to my destiny for now. And I think that this is where the tour is gonna start from. To the lawn. Off to the lawn.
BIOSPHERE 2, we've always been interested in BIOSPHERE 1, and by now you should know what that is.
We are.
Okay, so the Earth is BIOSPHERE 1. And the Earth does a lot for us when it comes to ecosystem services. And it does it for free. But when you have to duplicate that in a project like this, it takes a lot of equipment, and it takes a lot of time, and it takes a lot of money.
You can smell and feel the humidity down here. Isn't this cool or what? I don't know how this video is gonna come out, but there's so much information, and all of it is good information. And just investigate. Wow, that's where we're going.
What we're standing in front of is one of our large air handlers. Think of this as a giant radiator. So it kind of looks like the mothership has landed, doesn't it? Giant spacecraft. This is a variable volume air pressure chamber, and it was really important to the BIOSPHERE to keep the building safe and intact. You asked me the question about pressurizing. So, they expand, they move apart, they get bigger. And what happens when they get cold? They move together and contract. So now we've all had our science lesson today. Building lost per year is the diameter of the body. That's really an airtight structure. It was purposely designed that way. But then you have the natural heating during the day, and you have the cooling at night, and you could have had an explosion or an implosion. So they had to have a place to release
We're about to leave the lawn. Isn't that amazing? But we're gonna go through a very windy area. I don't even know you can hear me.
Okay, hang on to your hat.
Okay, right or left?
To the right.
So I just came out of the long tour and it was amazing. And this place is full of information. And I highly recommend that you come if this interests you. It does interest me a lot.
Welcome back to Biosphere 1.
The energy center.
For you, but I can tell you a little bit about it. In the energy center, there are boilers, chillers, a huge natural gas generator, and a backup of diesel and the grid. When the people were sealed inside of here, that's how the power was sourced, by natural gas.
Wow, this is a very impressive project. I think this is the only one of its kind in the world. I am going to look for the other areas now and continue to share as I go. Oh my goodness. So this is the desert. Just wow.
I was waiting in the undertow, set adrift with featherweight like bones, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow. Can't touch the bottom, sit into a tumble. Waves that shake me out of my skin. Never been so easy, losing my direction. My bearings have me south of home. I've been wrong before. I was waiting in the undertow, set adrift with featherweight like bones, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow. And the water feels like a friend I've not seen in years, so familiar and strange at once, like a lover who lost her touch. At first I was hesitant, now it seems oh so curious. How'd I wind up so far from home, when I barely had left the shore? I was waiting in the undertow. Set adrift and fell away like bones, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow, and I was dreaming of a love I loved. I fell asleep within an autumn flow. I never knew I drew so far from home, while I was waiting in the undertow.
I highly recommend that you visit the BIOSPHERE 2 for the science part of it. It's just a very interesting experiment, the only one of its kind in the world. And I don't know, it makes me think. It makes me think a lot. This concludes my tour of the BIOSPHERE 2. I hope that you enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed it and will highly recommend it. And if you do choose to come, I would suggest that you do a little online research before you come, because there is a lot of information that will be good for you to have before you come. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you come back for the next one. Ciao.
Come on. Yeah, yeah. Come on. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Can you believe it? The Gila monster is real. And I was just reading about the wildlife here and I spotted it.
Come on. Yeah, yeah. Come on. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I don't mean to be rude. Yeah, yeah. I'm just a little different from all these dudes. Okay, they riding waves, me, I'm up on a cruise. Yeah, yeah. You feel like me, then you got nothing to prove. I see him trying to do what I do. Yeah, yeah. Even Mick Jagger couldn't move like a move. Yeah, yeah. You think yeah, how it look? I'm up on the moon. Yeah, got fresh to death and it came out of the tomb. That's 'cause I got a different type of gratitude. Don't be sour, got my power from the Beatitudes. And we did it the long way, check out the latitude. I'm unapologetically fly, I don't wonder why, that's just my attitude. Yeah, that's right, yeah, that's just my attitude. Ooh, yeah, I don't blame you, if I was you, I'd probably be getting mad at too.
I was telling people and somebody's like, I guess not everybody likes the wildlife. To me, it was like, oh my gosh, I saw the Gila monster.